Today I bring you these Lakers Special Edition Hawkers glasses that I use every day. These are my to-go glasses, and unfortunately they broke a couple of times already. As you can see over here, it's cracked and it opened. I already tried to glue it. I tried to glue the frame. I tried to glue the lens to the frame, but it keeps breaking. So today I'm going to fix that. Although these are special editions, I don't collect, so I use them. I will just use a small staple. Over here, this little staple, I already clipped the legs, so they are not long enough to pierce through the lens. And I'll put it right here with the help of the soldering iron. So with the help of the tweezers, I will then solder this little staple onto the plastic like so. I will start on one side, then go to the other. So let me try to put it more or less on the center. So the soldering iron is at 300 degrees at the moment. So we need to be careful not to touch the plastic with it. Sorry, I dropped the little staple. Let's see if we manage to do it now. And there we go. So we just touch the staple and leave it there until it heats up and starts blending into the plastic. It may take a few seconds. Just be careful not to slip and burn out the plastic with this soldering iron. As you can see, it's starting to heat up already. So let me give it a little more heat because it's not going through the little staple. So 320 degrees now. Let's try again. So let's just touch the tip of the staple with our iron. And there it is, starting to go. Okay, and now let's do the other side. So different perspective now. Here you can see the iron going in very slowly. And there it is. So it's normal that it doesn't hold in the beginning because the iron is hot and it will not be able to resist. So yeah, now it's soldered on. It's not pretty, but it will definitely fix this issue. You can try then to insert it more into the plastic and then try to blend in the plastic with the staple with the plastic. I will not do that. This is good enough for me. As long as it's holding. I'll just melt this area over here that is basically blobs of glue. Thinking again, I will try to blend in a little bit of the iron with the plastic, just to avoid having a shiny thing on top of the black. And with that, it's much better. So it's not looking pretty, as you can see, but I will fix that with a little polish. So yeah, this is more or less it. I will now give it a little rub with the Dremel. So with the Dremel I'm going to remove the remains of plastic that are over the staple. Carefully, not to rub the plastic of the frame. And now with the brush I will give it a little rub so it can be a little bit shinier and disguise this operation that we've done. So let's clean the mess that we did on the lenses with a bit of spray and this special cloth to clean the lenses. So there you go. They are fixed. See ya.